In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer files and settings to a new Windows 11 PC. Click the Start button in the taskbar. In the search box, type Windows Backup. As you enter that, type Windows, then Backup, and wait for the search results to appear. Click Windows Backup in the results. The Windows Backup app opens. Here you can choose whether to back up this PC or transfer information to a new PC. On this screen, you'll see 4 categories: folders, apps, settings, and credentials. Click the arrow next to folders to expand it. Turn on desktop, then turn on documents, then turn on pictures. These folders will sync to your OneDrive account. You can also toggle on videos and music if needed. Now click the toggle or arrow next to apps to expand that section. Turn on Quickly Access Apps on any Windows device. This saves a list of your installed apps. Microsoft Store apps will reinstall automatically on the new PC. Other apps will appear with download links later. Next, click the toggle or arrow next to Settings to open that section. Turn on Accessibility. Turn on Personalization. Turn on Language Preferences and Dictionary. Turn on Other Windows settings, or select the ones you want to transfer. Then click the toggle or arrow next to Credentials to expand it. Turn on Accounts. Turn on Wi-Fi networks and passwords. Once those sections are set the way you want, click Continue in the lower right area of the Windows Backup window. Windows now starts backing up your selected folders, apps, settings, and credentials to your Microsoft account and OneDrive. This can take a few minutes depending on how many files are included, so after the backup is underway, move to the new PC. On the new Windows 11 computer, go through the initial setup. Select your region. Choose your keyboard layout. Connect to Wi-Fi. Make sure you have internet during this process, because Windows needs to reach your backup. When you get to the sign-in step, sign in with the same Microsoft account you used for the backup on the old PC. This part can also take some time as setup continues. After you sign in, Windows looks for your backup automatically. You should see a screen showing your old PC's name along with a summary of what's available to restore. If Windows does not detect the backup, click Find Backup. If you have backups from more than one device, click More Options. Then select the correct backup from the list. Once the right backup is selected, click Restore. On some versions of Windows, this button may appear as Next or Continue. After that, Windows begins restoring your settings, your app list, and your folder sync. The setup continues automatically from here. As the restore finishes, your new PC starts applying the transferred items. Your wallpaper comes back. Your theme is restored. Wi-Fi passwords return. App pins and other settings are also brought over. At the same time, your OneDrive folders, including desktop, documents, and pictures, begin syncing in the background so they appear in their usual locations on the new computer. At this point, the transfer is complete. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Your new Windows 11 PC now has your personalization settings restored, including wallpapers, theme, and colors. Your saved Wi-Fi networks are available again. Your app pins and preferences are restored as well. Files from desktop, documents, and pictures are syncing through OneDrive and will show up in their familiar places. Microsoft Store apps are reinstalling automatically. Non-store apps appear with download links in the Start menu, so you can reinstall them manually.